So I think you're right about the 2 minutes per side. 2 to 3 minutes per side. And I'm going to stagger them where I get them all out.
Right.
More in. Because I just think... So at 53, I think we can take them out.
I need some more egg.
It just takes a lot more egg, and I think we overbought. That last spring, I don't know why I doubted myself. But if we can't use those, I'm going to save them. And I'll just put them in the sealed bag and I'll use them.
Oh, that is perfectly ready. Look at that view. Yep.
You see why I don't actually make this ever anymore.
Right.
It's just... This is something...
I think my way of putting it in the egg first worked better. Look at mine compared to yours. Mine is better, don't you think?
It's different. Look, if you want to eat the way yours are done, we'll just segregate them by the heat. Yeah, that last bucket's not getting done. The last pot of these is not getting done.
Right.
Which is great, because I'll actually use this, because when I used to... And it's a good...
Ouch.
This is something you do when you have a family. You have everyone like going out. That's why you don't do this as a single person. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, I think your shake and bake works better.
It's shake and bake.
Ah, helped.
Yeah, if you like helping me out on this, it's actually, this isn't bad if you're just making, 4 of them.
Right.
You might want to turn your oil down a bit. And again, if we fuck up a little bit, we have a whole pot full of spares. So I think we can kind of show them. Just use this shit from the bottle.
You want a little bit more?
Yeah. If anything, having them still in the water is actually kind of helping us quite a bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
In terms of sticking. The thing is, egg is better than milk. Oh, if you run out of egg, you can use my soy milk.
That's right. But I don't think we're going to run out of egg. And we're ready. I'm not even worried if we run out of breadcrumbs. I'll just put them in flour. I think I've got one more. Like, I'll do 4, 8, and 12, maybe.
Okay, then maybe you can start drawing from like that pot now.
Yeah.
Because I guess you do have like the smallest one. Again, what we're doing here, we're not really cooking them. All we're doing is like browning.
Right.
We don't want to make too many that will, we don't want to have so many that won't fit into those containers.
Oh, that's a good point of
We have a
reference.
third one. We have a third